Seems like a while, like I haven't vlogged. It's been like, I think a week. But me and Louis about to go to, where we going, Louis? I think we're going to swim. We're about to get picked up by our cousin. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm bringing my GoPro this time to whatever we're going to do. So you guys can see more because I cannot get this camera wet. So yeah. Yeah, Louis. I got your heatable anal beads. You want them? For free. We had to turn back. We have to go back home because some shit happened, so now we can't go. We're gonna try to go somewhere else, see if we can swim or not. So it's the next day. We didn't end up doing nothing. We just went to my cousin's house yesterday. And then I came back to just watch a movie and then just went to sleep pretty early. So yeah, but today we're gonna do something, so my bad about that, guys. I'm gonna try to make something up today. We're gonna go see the fireworks today because it's 4th of July. I'm gonna go with Louis and my other cousin, so all I can say is my bad about that. Hopefully it's better today. Where you going, you punk? Where you going, you punk? Bye. See you later. So yeah, we're gonna go to a family party. Well, cookout, not even a party. I'm gonna be like the last one going there because I just got out of work. Katie, get in. Get in the car. Come on, let's go.
You scaring her.
Sorry for all the static noises. I don't know how to fix it. I need to get a new mic, I guess. I guess that's it, guys. Not bad that I haven't been doing much at all. I haven't been uploading at all. It's because I really haven't been doing anything. Literally, I've been inside watching shows. I haven't gone out much, which sucks. I should be going out. It's summer, but I haven't been in the mood and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. I just finished editing. I just have to put this in, and that's the end. Sorry for the short vlog as well. And that's it. Like and subscribe if you haven't. And peace out.